Meaning of dancehall reggae.
Dancehall reggae.
Dancehall reggae.
Dancehall reggae.
Dancehall reggae. Dancehall reggae is a subgenre of reggae music that originated in Jamaica during the late 1970s. It is characterized by a faster tempo, electronic instrumentation, and a focus on dance-oriented rhythms and lyrics. Dancehall reggae often features toasting or DJing, which involves the rhythmic spoken delivery of lyrics over a beat. The genre has evolved over time to incorporate elements of hip-hop, R&B, and other styles, and continues to be popular in Jamaica and around the world as a form of party and dance music.